Welcome to the fascinating world of the lithium element. Lithium is a soft, silver-white metal that belongs to the alkali metal group on the periodic table. It's the lightest metal and the least dense solid element, making it highly reactive. Lithium is commonly used in rechargeable batteries, especially in electric vehicles and electronic devices. But its uses go beyond batteries. Lithium is also used in medication to treat bipolar disorder and depression. Despite its importance, lithium is a relatively rare element, found in varying concentrations in rocks and mineral deposits around the world. So next time you power up your phone or take your medication, remember the essential role that lithium plays in our daily lives. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science content. Generated using utools, https://play.google.com. Store, apps, details, it equals com, utools, co.